You can use the touchscreen display to view information and adjust settings for various vehicle systems. The launch bar located on the bottom of the screen can be used to access Maps for vehicle navigation functions, Audio to play your radio and other media sources, Phone to place a phone call, Home to return to the home menu, Heater and air conditioner to adjust temperature and fan speed, Apps for additional information on vehicle applications, or Google to access Google Assistant. Touch an item in the launch bar to switch screens. Swipe the screen right or left to view additional menu screens. These screens are customizable to include your preferred widgets and apps. To customize the home menu screen, touch and hold any of the widgets. The customization screen will be displayed. Touch Add and select a widget to add it to your home menu screen. Touch this icon to delete a widget. Touch and hold a widget, then drag to rearrange. Touch Save to save your settings. Touch this icon to customize additional settings. Touch the plus or minus keys to adjust the settings of an item. Use this bar to scroll up or down through a list of items. If the list extends past one page, you can also swipe the screen up or down to view available items. To return to the previous screen, touch this key. Some functions cannot be operated while you are driving. They will be grayed out or muted on the screen. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.